What's going on, Fireflies? It's me, Neon MUA, and I'm back for another video. I know what you're thinking. Things look different, don't they? I finally got me a camera, you guys. So hopefully the quality of all my videos and everything will look better. It's going to be a little work in progress. I said I figure out audio and things like that. But hopefully everything, you know, from here on out will be of a better quality, you know. So in case you guys didn't read by the title, it's time for another Color Spectrum series video, you guys. Who's excited? Because I am, and this one's clearly, it's a little interesting. In case you didn't know, I have been doing a Color Spectrum series on my channel where I basically take a color and incorporate a style of makeup and create a look, helping me to get out of my comfort zone and try new things and see where things take me. If you haven't seen my past two Color Spectrum videos, red and orange, you can click the link above. There will also be a playlist listed down below so you guys can see that. So yes, this is the third installment of my Color Spectrum series videos. This video is based off of the color yellow. Hope you can see that, because yellow's a little tricky to play with on camera. So yeah, the color is yellow. The style in this video is actually based off of Pikachu. Yes, this look is a glammed up version of Pikachu. I'm not sure how it got to that, but it was just like, why not? As always, you guys, make sure you please give this video a huge thumbs up, like, and support. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I upload. I upload videos twice a week, not four. Twice. Upload videos twice a week, so you guys want to make sure you guys are notified and subscribe to my channel, because you're going to be seeing a lot more of these Color Spectrum videos roll out. Also, make sure you guys follow me on all my social media accounts. That is Neon MUA on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, as well as Lionheart555 on that good old Snapchat that we all love. So yes, you guys, without further ado, that's another Pokemon, but we're not doing that. Right? So you guys, without further ado, we're gonna get right into this Color Spectrum series video, yellow. Let's go.